In this video, we'll show you how to reverse the throttle and steering on your Traxxas TQi transmitter. So, how do you reverse the throttle? First, hold the menu button until the light starts flashing green. Press menu. Press set. Press menu again. Press set again. Press set one more time. Hold menu until the light stops flashing. That's it, throttle reversed. Now, let's move on to steering. Hold the menu button until the light flashes green. Press menu. Press set 3 times. Finally, hold menu until the light stops flashing. Now your steering is reversed too.